If you're dreaming about your future travels with your loved ones, why look for beautiful beaches of Bali or the Eiffel Tower of Paris when you can plan your wonderful future vacation in space? Yes, you heard it right. A journey to the outer space is not only just for astronauts. You can plan your vacation outside the Earth into the world's first space hotel ever that will soon turn every person's dream of visiting beyond Earth into a reality. And by the year 2027 comes, every space lover can literally gain immense out-of-the-world experience. Very soon, this hotel will play a significant role for bragging rights by opening in space. Fast forward a couple of years, and you'll see a hotel running in the space named Voyager Station, which is set to be built by Orbital Assembly Corporation. The Orbital Assembly Corporation, or OAC, was formed with the primary and singular purpose of accelerating the formation of a strong and self-sustaining space construction industry. This construction company is founded by pilot John Blincow, and in a recent interview with CNN Travel, he said that Space Hotel is soon going to begin in 2016 and would turn into a reality by 2027. So what are the ins and outs of this first space hotel? Well, this is something interesting and exciting that you must surely watch. Let's take a deeper look at the Voyager Station and what things travelers can expect while traveling and staying at this world's first space hotel. Hello guys, this is Connor from Tech Locker, and today in this video, we'll look at the world's first ever space hotel with amazing features and technology that will blow your mind. Hey, wait! Before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. So, let's get started. Orbital Assembly Corporation was the sole company behind this extraordinary idea. Recently revealed all the new details about the hotel, rooms, and various videos that surprised the entire internet. This premium and luxurious hotel will be able to carry 400 people and will deliver stunning and unprecedented views of our beautiful Earth for several tourists as well as researchers. It will be the first vital project of Orbital Assembly Corporation while aiming to become the first commercial space hotel in 2027. This project will be the largest and biggest man-made structure outside the space, and the Voyager Station will be set in low Earth orbit at an elevation of 97.4 degrees. The hotel will be located 500 to 550 kilometers away from Earth and will be synchronized to always be in a fixed location relative to the Sun. This will make sure that the reduction in thermal stress will allow the continuous generation of solar power. But did you know how does it work? Well, if you don't know, then let me tell you. The station rotates, pushing the contents of the station out to the perimeter of the station, much in the way that you can spin a bucket of water. The best part about Voyager Station is as you move near the center of the station, there's no artificial gravity, but as you move down the outside of the station, the feeling of gravity increases. Since its first launch, Orbital Assembly Corporation has revealed several exciting details about the construction and its structure of this hotel. The first and primary element to be built will be a central unpressurized ring structure, which will consist of docking hub placed at its center. Following this, the outer ring truss made of 200-meter diameter will be assembled and connected directly to the central ring by several network of spokes. The truss will be considered as the backbone of the station that will provide mounting for solar panels, radiators, and a rail transport system. It will also support the 24 habitation modules, which will be primarily used for major hotel accommodation, gyms, bars, restaurants, along with crew accommodation and scientific research pods. Several organizations claimed that Voyager Station will deliver the exact same feeling of living in a luxury hotel with stunning views and amenities to fall in love. The interior will be made from natural materials and colors to give you different feeling that you've never expected at all. Apart from wide range of amenities, Voyager Station will contain multiple amazing holiday accommodation options that will contain 500 square meter luxury villas, which is thought to make it available to be rented for a week, month, or permanently. These villas will have all sleeping materials that you need for your sleep. You can easily fit 16 people along with 3 bathrooms and a wide range of cooking facilities. Alongside the villa, the space station will have different 30-square-meter hotel suites that will contain luxurious private bathroom and beds for 2 people. Once complete, Voyager Station will be able to accommodate a total of 400 guests, bringing the satisfaction and comforts of Earth together with the highly advanced technologies of space to deliver one unique and amazing experience. However, its simulated gravity will allow guests to experience showers, toilet facilities, and beds that function similarly to what they're used to on Earth. According to the Gateway Foundation, as the space hotel consists of gravity, you will experience a high-end hotel with different restaurants to give perfect rivalry around the best venues and destination on Earth. The best part you'll like about this hotel is you will be able to relax comfortably in a triple-tier bar with a water feature that will undoubtedly defy the laws of physics. They are even planning an entire kitchen services along with glasses and dishes, just like you expect while traveling on a luxury cruise ship or traveling to a hotel luxurious. Not only you will find such amazing things inside the world's first space hotel, you'll also be able to play games with 7-meter-high ceilings that will be used majorly for playing your favorite games and to enjoy jumping, running, and playing sports in the 1/6 Earth gravity environment. And due to the low gravity levels, participants playing games inside this hotel will be able to soar higher than they would on Earth. When the night will happen, this ceilings will be converted into a concert venue where the biggest and popular musicians playing on Earth will uplift your mood and rock the station as it circles around the planet. However, the amenities inside this space hotel will be similar just like we see on Earth. You will also have the opportunity to buy villas so you can make up your mind and imagine getting to see the stars, moon, and Earth up close from your window. The hotel will also consist of an entertainment center, gourmet center, and more. Believe me, this hotel is much more than you ever think. Now, this is something that you can call it yourself as a future hotel that you eagerly want to visit. At this time, the Space Hotel is accepting all the reservations, and a 3-day cost will make you spend around $5 million. For now, the Space Hotel will come with a high amount of price attached, so make your bank account stronger to have fun with your loved ones in this Space Hotel. But will this Space Hotel open in 2027, or will it be delayed further? And will all these luxurious amenities and interior be worth spending your money? However, the plans of opening this space hotel were planned to open in 2019 under the name of Von Braun Rotating Space Station. Later on, it was estimated to be opened in 2025, but soon pushed to 2027. The main reason behind the delay was due to coronavirus pandemic and not due to any technical holdings. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. And if you are a fan of our videos, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for spending your quality time with us.